back to the minted melody. Today we're going to be focusing on peanut butter fudge. You can use peanut butter off the shelf, or you can make homemade peanut butter, which I have made a video previously on how to make it, so please go and visit. So let's go over some of the things that we're going to need today, okay? We're going to need some vegetable oil. We're going to need some heavy whipping cream. We're going to need some parchment paper, whisk, some measuring spoons. We're going to need a flat pan and confectionered sugar. This particular recipe is cup for cup. So 1 cup for confectionered sugar, 1 cup for peanut butter. All right, so let's get started. All right, let's go ahead and make our second ingredient, which is a cup of confectionered sugar. We're going to be adding 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. That's 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm using heavy whipping cream because it makes it a little bit thicker. You can use regular whole milk, but I prefer mine to be just a tad bit thicker. Now we're going to sweeten it up a little bit. We're going to be adding pure vanilla extract, which is going to be a ½ teaspoon. So, all right, look at that. We just sweeten the deal up. Let's mix this all together. You see, as I'm whisking, it's getting more and more and more and more and more and more and more, thicker and thicker and thicker and thicker and thicker and thicker and thicker. All right, what we want to do is we want to keep stirring until, see all the little rocks that are in there for the sugar? We want to get those out. All right, so look at that. All right. All right, now that's how we make the second half of our fudge peanut butter. See how thick that is? That is beautiful. All right, let's move on. All right, we're almost there. A few more steps and we're good to go. All right, next step, we're going to take our peanut butter, we're going to put it on the stove, and we're going to heat this up a little bit. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to get the peanut butter and the icing topping to blend together. So that way when it blends together, it'll be able to blend better. And we're going to cool it down. This is actually going to make some fudge. We're waiting on this. This needs to heat up just a tad bit. As you see, I'm keeping it stirred up because I don't want the peanut butter to get stuck to everything. There we go. See that? See, it's getting a little more loose right there. That's when you know it's starting to heat up. So let's go ahead and add our second ingredient. So remember, this is going to be only 2 ingredients in this peanut butter fudge, so it's very important we use cup for cup. So when you have the bowl, you want to scrape it down as much as possible. Oh yeah. But you don't want to heat it up too much. Just enough so we can get it in this pan over here. Some parchment paper. While that's heating up, we're going to go ahead and get some parchment paper. Down. Go. All right, you can tell it's ready right there. See all that right there? You want to go no more further than that because what we do is start separating the oil from the peanut. Get some vegetable oil this right here. Spray. I'm going to spray it down. And then we want to get peanut butter. See how it's coming out of there? Oh yeah. All right, now when you spread out on the pan, you want to start from the middle and then you want to go to the sides. I'm not baking very much today. Yeah, so we go back and forth on that one. See how we're moving to get those sides in there a little bit. Now, granted, when you're making fudge, you can use the you can use molds or you can use anything right here, but I just want to give you kind of the basic idea of how we're going to be making this. So, else. All right, there we go. Now we're going to put this in the refrigerator for about an hour, and then we're going to bring it out and see how it turns out. All right, there we go. All right, we're going to put it in about an hour, see how we did. All right, our fudge is ready. It's been in the refrigerator. It's cooled down. Let's cut it up and try it out. Here we go. First piece. Man, this is so good. Guys, believe me, it's so good. As always, guys, to like, subscribe, notification bell. I will make more videos. You'll be the first ones to get them. You guys have a great day.